Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to convert JPG image file to PNG in GIMP 2.10. Okay, so let me minimize this file. Okay guys, so this is my image.jpg file and I want to convert this to PNG. Okay, so if I open this by double clicking on it, you can see this is my JPG file. Okay, and let's convert this to PNG by using GIMP. Okay, so let me close this. Okay, so just open your GIMP. It's now opened, and after that guys, you have to open your file, your JPG file over here. Okay, so for this, click on this file, click on this open. Just go to the place where you have your JPG file. So I have my JPG file on my desktop, so I need to click on this to select it. Okay, and guys, you can also click on this show all files. Okay, and after that, click on this your image. So this is my image dot jpg, this file over here. You can see it's now selected, and after that, click on this open button. So it's now opened guys. Let's convert this to PNG. So for this, again, you have to click on this file, click on this export as. Okay, and here we have this export image window opened. Okay, and here we have the select file type by extension. Click on this, and here we have the extensions. Under this, you have to find the PNG. So let me find that. You can see guys, here we have this PNG image. Click on this to select it. Okay, and after that guys, you have to select your destination where you want to save this PNG image file. Okay, so I want to save it on my desktop, so I need to click on this to select it. Okay, and guys, you can also give the name to your PNG image file. I am leaving this as image. Okay, and after that guys, click on this export button, and you can see guys, here we have the export image as PNG window opened, and we have some other options. I'm leaving this as default, and after that, click on this export button. So it's exporting and it's done. So let me go to my desktop. You can see guys, here we have this image.png. Okay, so if I open this image by double clicking on this, you can see here we have this image.png opened. Okay, so guys, that's it. In this way, you can easily convert JPG image file to PNG in GIMP 2.10. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.